Hey Clinton, my name is Dallin Broomfield and I'm the owner here at Iron Horse Garage Door Marketing. This video here is the custom website screencast that you requested through your email. So in this video, I'm going to go over your website and I'm going to leave you with some tips and tricks on how you can improve your online presence and overall just generate more traffic, leads, and sales through your website. If you could, please give me some feedback on what you thought about this video. But without further ado, the three things that we're going to dive into today is content, citations, and backlinks. So content is king. You'll want to have a lot of content across your website, and there's a few reasons why. One, it's going to let Google know that you are the expert in your field. And then two, it's going to allow you to get in all of the high quality and relevant keywords that these Google users are actually searching for. So looking at some of the keywords here, and we're going to stay in Phoenix. I know you do Tempe, Phoenix, and Tucson. But one of the main things here, what we see that's going to cause some conflict with each other is having the Tempe and Phoenix keywords all on the same page. That's typically going to cause conflict because Google doesn't know precisely where you're at. So if you're doing services like installations or repairs, you could have those on the same page, but you definitely want to separate them out between Tempe and Phoenix. But looking at the Phoenix keywords, we've got garage door repair Phoenix. This keyword gets searched 1,900 times every month, has a keyword difficulty of 37. And then, of course, my favorite, garage door installation Phoenix, gets searched another 600 times every month with a keyword difficulty of 29. So if I wanted to get found for a keyword like garage door installation Phoenix, what I would do is I would come over here to my website and I would make sure that that exact match keyword was inside my content. So right now it's not on there at all. I would put that keyword right there in my header tag. I'd put it down here in the body of my content. And then I would even save my pictures as those exact match keywords. So of course the Google algorithm cannot see those images, but they could see what's behind them. And so by doing that, it's basically a way to just manipulate the algorithm and let that algorithm know that you are doing the services that these Google users are actually searching for. So again, to do that, I would separate out these two pages. I would have one location for Tempe, one location for Phoenix, and then make sure that I'm using those exact match keywords inside my content. So next up, I am going to Google garage door installation Phoenix. And the first thing that you see pop up is going to be your local service ads here. We've got companies all over the United States using this section right here, and everybody does really well. So I do recommend running these ads, but for the sake of the video, we're going to stay on the local organic side of things. So this next section here, this is the map pack. And in my opinion, this is the best place to be in because of the reviews. People trust reviews like their grandma. And so it's good to get a consistent review pattern and be responding to those reviews. Google loves to see that you're interacting with your customers. Another good way to interact with your customers is to be making weekly Google posts and posting about your products and services. But most importantly, and this is my tip number 2, is you want to create citations to your Google My Business profile. Citations are simply just online directories. Anywhere where your business name, address, and phone number is listed is going to create that citation for you. And the more of them you have, the more authority and rank that you're going to have in the local map pack. And then finally, the next one down, this is your organic traffic. This is where your website would go. And when we're talking about Google, Google is just a big popularity contest. And so the more relevant backlinks that you have linking back to your website are basically just these other websites that are raising their hand and saying, hey, this guy is trusted and authoritative and deserves to be up at the top of Google. So my tip number 3 is more backlinks to the website. So this is a tool that we use called Ahrefs. It is just a tool. It's not 100% correct all the time, but we can see you guys got a domain rating of 4.5, a UR rating of 11. You've got 46 backlinks going back to, or 31 referring domains going back to 46 backlinks. You're getting found for 90 organic keywords, and you've got roughly about 34 people traveling to your website. I just noticed this right here, Bang Website Design. I know that may be your website company, so I'm going to check something out right now, because that's not typically supposed to be there. So somehow they have that saved. I don't know how that's happened, but you do not want that right there. You want your keywords. You want garage door repair Phoenix. You want your keywords there in Phoenix. So there's definitely something that they have done there that's making that pop up like that. It shouldn't be there. But let's look into your keywords. So looking at these keywords, we've got garage door repair, Tempe AZ. This is one you guys are doing the best for. Sitting on position 8, so you've got roughly about 14 people traveling in on that. Garage door repair Tempe, another 8 there. Tempe garage door repair, number 4 there. So it looks like you're doing really good there on the Tempe area, but after that, it really just starts to dip off, right? So sit in position 20, 21, and 22. Okay, so looking at your competitor here, I thought these guys were pretty interesting. They don't seem like they've been around for too long, but they did have a lot of backlinks. So this is a huge opportunity right here for you guys to capitalize on just by getting more backlinks to your website. And that's going to raise up your domain authority and help you get more traffic to the website just with doing that. So these guys, 1,600 keywords being found. They've got roughly about 1,700 people traveling to their website. And so looking at this, and I've narrowed it down to the Phoenix just so we can see this area. Garage door repair Phoenix, they've got 430 people coming in on that. Garage door installation right there for another 43 people coming in on that. And I know that'd be a pretty big game changer if you guys can also get some of that traffic in. So again, the three things: content. You want to make sure that you are setting up the structure of this website the right way, separating out Tempe and Phoenix, and then making sure you're getting in all of your high quality exact match keywords in there. Two is the citations to the Google My Business profile and reviews. This is probably by far the most important area that you need to focus in. And I do highly recommend getting some type of reputation management system set in and getting more citations to the profile. And then lastly, backlinks to the website, and more specifically, backlinks to the pages that you want to rank. So if you want to rank for garage door installation Phoenix, make sure you're running your backlinks to that specific page to boost that page domain authority to start getting in more traffic there to close some more sales. I hope you found valuable information in this video, and I look forward to getting some feedback from you on what you thought. Thank you. Take care.